Hello everybody, Fakeaway, Takeaway Wednesday again. Comes around quick, doesn't it, these Wednesdays? Nice and early in the morning again to get my stuff marinated. I'm going to be doing the chicken shawarma. Never had one before, someone mentioned it in the comments to me last week. I've never had one in a flatbread. I'm going to make my own flatbread. Never done it before. Let's see how I get on. Show you what we got. Right, I'm going to leave a picture on the screen somewhere of everything I've got. Because there's a few spices there. I've got myself some chicken thighs. I've put another plate and I've got a fly in the kitchen and I can't catch it. A lemon also. And a bit of olive oil. I'm using garlic infused. Now the only thing that I couldn't get on my spices was cardamom, ground cardamom. I could have used cardamom pods and grind them up myself, but then I saw this at Tesco, Simply Cook, and it's got on there, look in the seasoning, a fragrant blend of cardamom and cumin. So I'm going to use one of them pots. I've never seen them before. I might even do a video of these one day. I've never seen them. There's the seasoning. So I'm going to put one of them in instead of just cardamom, because I say it saves me grinding it. It's nice and simple. So first things first, we want to do is get all your spices in a bowl. Get them all in there, like so. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now this recipe I'm using, I say it's not my recipe, I got it offline, I've never done it before. Some recipes call for doing it in yoghurt, which I thought would have been better, but this recipe doesn't. So I'm going to follow this recipe anyway. I'm going to get them in as well. Can open it. Tight. There we go. Oh yeah, nice and fragrant that is. Get that in. I want a couple of tablespoons of lemon, which I don't like, but it's only going to be a bit in it, so. Without the pip, please Keith, without the pip. Now we're going to give all that a mix first. And then we're going to get the chicken in. So I would have put a bit of yoghurt in this to marinate it, but it says on this recipe not to. I'll leave a link to the recipe anyway. I don't know why it says not to, but it's very dry, isn't it? I'm going to get myself a bag, like so. I'm going to get my chicken in, but the reviews on this one was really nice, it was really good, so I thought, well, I'll try it. It's off a recipe called, off a site called Recipe Tin Eats, I think it was, or something like that, but it doesn't mention yoghurt. Get all the spices in, be a bit awkward for me. We've got the camera there. Get all them in, we want all that in, don't we? We want all that in. Like so, get rid of the air, and obviously give it all a good marinade and that. Get the spices. I suppose this is more of a quick, convenient way in it, because it's not going on a rotisserie or anything, this one isn't. There it is. You'll see it. It smells absolutely delicious. It does actually. It does smell really nice. Now we're going to leave that marinating. Get rid of that air first. All day. I'll put it in the fridge and I'll see you when I do the flatbread. Right guys, with that chicken I put a bit more oil in because it was a little bit dry. So I put some more oil in, it seems a lot better now. So now on to the flatbread. Now this is off the same website. I say I'll leave a link or whatever. So I've got 3 cups of plain flour. I've got 3 cups of milk and 3.5 tablespoons of butter and half a teaspoon of salt. This one calls for no yeast, so we'll see whether this one works, eh? I'm going to be using this because it's more convenient for me. Can we see that? No, can't. Move you up a bit, there we go. Right, going to get the flour in first, the 3 cups. I was going to do it in my bread maker, but I thought I might as well do it in this, mightn't I? And I'm going to get my butter and my milk in. And my half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to we're going to knead that up now. The state of it, I always make a mess. Until it's ready. Let's have a look how that's looking. There you go. Oh yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Get myself a bowl. Put a little bit of oil in the bottom. Just a drop, give it a rub. So it doesn't stick. Mine looks a bit more buttery to theirs. But hey, we'll get it in. And it does say there's no kneading, not a lot of kneading involved. So that's fine. Get that in, cover it up, and then we'll leave it until we're ready. Chicken's been in about 5 hours, so I put a little bit of extra oil in there just to get a bit more of a marinade, because it was a bit thick. Got my air fryer warming up. I'm going to do it in the air fryer. I looked at the website for these, yeah, and this one is more for if you're doing it on in your frying pan or your griddle, or in a barbecue. That's what this one's aimed at, so that's why I thought we'll do it in the air fryer, because then I can get on with my flatbreads on my hob then. But the smells in this kitchen is amazing, honest to God. It smells absolutely delicious. I don't know if you can see it. It smells absolutely delicious, it really does. Let's get the air fryer forwards. There they are, look, I don't know if you can see it properly. I don't know if I'll get it all in or not. I'm going to try. I was looking at other websites as well, some people cut them up first. So I suppose there's a few ways of doing it, isn't there? But it's all in the taste, isn't it? It's all in the taste. There we go, we'll close that up. And we will give it, well, I'll keep an eye on it, I don't know how long it'll take in there. Shouldn't take long, maybe 15 minutes, I suppose. And on to the flatbread. I hope you can hear me with the air fryer on. I've turned my mic round, so you might be able to hear me a bit better. Right, there it is. Let's have a look. I say it's not going to rise because there's no yeast in it. I'm going to give it a little, another little knead, just a little one. Just to wake it up. If that's the word you use, I don't know what your word you use with bacon and that stuff. I'm going to cut it into 4. Like that. Put them on back in there. And we're going to roll it up and roll it out into a flatbread. Hopefully the same size as the frying pan. That's all 4 of them. Not very round, but hey up, up and down your gob, done it. The chicken's smelling absolutely delicious at the minute. Right, I've just checked the temperature on the chicken. It is done. So I'm going to get it out. It looks very spicy. Is this stuff supposed to be spicy, is it, or what? Will I look at it? We'll find out when we eat it, won't we? Or you'll let me know anyway. I'm not sure it's supposed to be spicy or not, so I've never had it before, ever. But it smells delicious, I know that much. There's the chicken. I'm going to wrap it up with some foil. And then we're going to get onto the flatbread. Pan on. Bit of oil. Get it hot. Okay, moment of truth. Let's get one in. And we will see what happens. Should start bubbling in the middle and that, shouldn't it? Should do. Yeah, been about 30 seconds, guys, and it's starting to bubble up, so that's a good sign. Just going to check. Oh yes, looks a bit more pancakey, doesn't it? That's what it looks. I'm on to the second one. There's the first one. As I say, it looks a bit pancakey, but it is soft and does fold, at the minute anyway. We'll just get them all done, then we'll dish up. I'm just cutting the chicken up, guys, while the flatbreads are doing. Well, flatbread, they are definitely pancakes, aren't they? This chicken looks very nice though. Just got to keep an eye on them so I don't burn them. Yeah, they're not the best. They're definitely not the best flatbreads, them. Definitely. But hey, you live and learn, don't you? Right, guys, they're definitely pancakes. Definitely. Our lad's just had one. I've just given him his. And yeah, this ain't proper. These ain't proper. So I'll leave a link to their website, but look. And have yourselves a look. That's the problem with some of it. And it's got really good reviews as well, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the chicken's nice, but maybe you should do buy some flatbread or something, or do some different flatbread, because this isn't flatbread. Not in my eyes anyway. And I'm going to have sriracha sauce. I'm not doing any of this yoghurt sauce. Because Nat don't really like it, the lad don't really like it. I'm not just doing this yoghurt sauce just for me, but you can if you want to. There we go. It looks nice, but it's not a flatbread. And that's just tried a bit of the chicken and I reckon it's absolutely boiling hot. Is it burning?
It's spicy.
It's very spicy.
Do you know what these breads remind me of? Chapatis.
Chapatis?
Yeah, they're more like chapatis, not flatbread.
There's no flatbread, is it?
It's more like a chapati.
I think it's more like a pancake about the egg.
No, when you put it on the pan, did it like bubble?
Yeah.
Did it come up in bubbles? It's like a chapati then, like the Indians.
It used to be a flatbread. But anyway, it looks nice.
Oh, is it a flatbread?
It's supposed to be.
Oh, I thought it was a chapati.
Let me show you. There you go, look. That's eating hers. Matt's been doing a bit of baking today, ain't you, Bob?
Yeah.
Yes? Is it nice? So it's nice. So I'm going to have a try.
I like the bread as well.
You like the bread as well?
It's nice with the salad in, because when I just had a piece of the chicken, it's like, but now I'm eating it with the salad and stuff.
It's okay.
Nice, yeah. So you do need a bit of sauce on it to just cool it down a bit.
So we can get a thumbnail. Right, let's have a crack. But they remind me of pancakes, these do. They're not in the taste.
No. I know you say flatbread, but it doesn't remind me of a flatbread. But I could be wrong.
Oh, they're nice, aren't they? Oh, they are nice. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's get some kitchen roll. Oh, I wasn't expecting them to be that nice, Bab. Oh, they're really nice, aren't they? I only made 4 flatbreads with that. I didn't think at the time. There's loads of chicken left as well. I'll have to go up and get some wraps or something when I... You got... Oh yeah, you got wraps, ain't you?
But how many's left?
Oh, I like that. I do like that. That is delicious. Do you think so?
I really like it. Yeah, it's nice. Lovely.
It's not that spicy actually, is it?
No, it's spicy.
I can feel a kick, but it's not that spicy.
I can't feel it.
I'd have probably done this chicken with some yoghurt. They said no yoghurt in there. I didn't say no yoghurt, but they just didn't, no yoghurt. So I'd probably put some yoghurt in the chicken to make that marinade a bit more. Soaking the chicken a bit more. And I think them breads are good without the yeast. I do like them breads, don't you?
They're nice, yeah.
Yeah. And I think that's all really, just a bit of marinade in it, and the spices are bang on, ain't they? The flavours are amazing. Well, I'm going to go and eat it now. As I said, give some mark out of 10 back before I go and eat it. Mouth's full. I've got different time. I've been and had a nice cold shower, boiling hot.
Well over a 10.
Well over a 10. Well over a 10. I'd probably get out of 10 out of 10. That is delicious. Well done, recipe something eats. I can't remember what it's called. I'll leave a link anyway. Yeah, superb. I'm going to go eat it. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Oh, I'm going to go live tomorrow daytime. Out on my phone. I'm sweating. I want to check my signal for when I go live Monday. So it'll be a testing. Be about, I don't know, it's going to be early. It'll be about 11 or 12 o'clock or something like that. But that's just for to let you know. I'm going to go live on my phone, see if my signal's okay. Till the next time. See you later. You want another one? There's another flatbed. You can have one more if you need it. I'll have more on wrap. No. See you later. Bye-bye.